Hello everyone, this is Amir from Framing Studio. Today I will make cinematic soft blue color grading in Photoshop. At first we will copy the layer, then I will go to image mode and I will select left color, and from here we will select don't flatten. Now we'll go to channels path. At first we'll select this one by Ctrl A and then Ctrl C, copy, and then we'll paste it on here. Ctrl P. Now we'll select this one. Then I will go to image mode, RGB color, and again I will select don't flatten. Now I will select hue and saturation, and from mask option I will just add around 6 or 7. Then I'll go to selective color. From here at first we'll go to red, and I'll make cyan around -100, and then I'll select yellow around +50. Then I'll go to black, and I will select cyan around 5, magenta around 5, and yellow around -5. Then I will go to curve layer, and from here we will select RGB, and then we'll just push it little up and this one downward. So far we have got this, and I will make little adjustment also from gradient fill, and from here we will select black, and we'll select radial reverse, and we'll make the effect around 250. We can adjust a little bit because it's too dark. We'll make it like this. So we have got our desired color effect. Now I'll see before and after. This is really cool. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.